crucial role in almost all.
Okay, apparently it only works if I leave the microphone on.
This is the same. Yeah, I hear like everything 1989 almost.
What's this called? The heat map. Is there a heat thing?
I haven't explored. I think I have radiation.
Oh, right.
She listed my one.
Yeah.
And a crucial role have provided a place Their tensile strength and workability are unmatched in the natural world and have therefore played a crucial role in almost all of the building cultures of human history. Similarly, tree landscapes, forests, mangroves, jungles, trees are an extraordinary building material. Their tensile strength and workability are unmatched in the natural world and have therefore played a crucial role in almost all of the building cultures of human history. Similarly, tree landscapes, forests, mangroves, jungles have provided a place for these building cultures to thrive in different ways based on the different types of trees available to them. Therefore, this theme, like others covered so far, encompasses trees both as a context of the landscape itself and trees as the building material. Over the next 2 weeks, you will examine content that discusses how the idea of the tree has shaped architectural production in Asia and Europe, and consider the ways that trees constitute an entire culture of architecture. Historians believe that timber is one of the oldest building materials to be used by humans. There is no construction material more malleable and usable where it is available, and where trees are found in abundance, timber often plays a more important role. Due to their dimensions and weight, trees and their refined parts can be transported long distances for specific construction of parts of buildings. It is a renewable material. It grows itself, with huge ecological advantages. And as you know from the reading of Richard Powers this week, they cycle water, trade nutrients, make weather, and build atmosphere, feeding and curing and sheltering all kinds of creatures than people know how to count. For thousands of years, people have used trees in creative ways and developed fascinating methods of construction that differ from one type of timber to the next. In Eastern and Alpine Europe, long, straight tree trunks can be obtained from dense forests and made into log houses as pure timber buildings. In the Far East, a post and beam construction method with intricate joint systems developed. In Japan and Korea, wall areas between timber structures are often closed with infill panels. In China, it is more common to enclose freestanding timber structures with thick walls of rammed earth, stone, or brick. Whereas in Southeast Asia and South America, timber sections of the structure are combined with woven elements, for example, in coconut palm or nipa palm, making panels that can be used in a wide range of applications. Bamboo, which is tube-like, is easy to handle and quick to process, and almost all work processes can be carried out using just one special knife as a tool, felling the stems, cutting them to length, and splitting them. Even the outer shell of young shoots can be used to make ropes that can tie sections together. The building blocks for this theme are separated into 6 parts. There is this introduction, which you're listening to right now. There's part 2, which is all about carpentry and the difference between a carpenter and an architect, where we'll look at the hanok in Korea and the minka in Japan. Part 3, in which we'll look at the journey of a tree through the site of the Forbidden City in China. We'll look at European tree theories in part 4 in the 15th and 16th centuries. In part 5, we'll look at alpine log construction, also in Europe. And then finally in part 6, we'll think about high altitude conditions and the use of palm and reeds